This is my Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter. I will be installing K&N filter. Supposedly give me extra horsepower. I just really want it for the better sound, a little bit more power. Got the whole kit. There's actually quite a bit that comes in this kit. Sensors, hose clamps, the actual filter, hoses. It comes with a pretty detailed installation guide. Pretty much step by step on how to actually set this up. Again, it does have the 5.7 liter V8 with stock intake. Pretty soon it's gonna not look quite the same as that. Just to give a comparison on sound, because I'm kind of curious with how much better sound it's gonna give. I'm gonna start it up. Alright, so next time I'll be shooting this, I'll actually have the intake fully assembled and in place. Alright, so I have it in. It looks pretty good. It took probably about, sorry about the light, it took probably about an hour altogether to actually get it in. It does come with a oxygen flow sensor, or just an airflow sensor, sorry, extension to plug in the back of the intake tube. The filter is it's a pretty good sized cone, and I am going to start it up and see what the differences are. Alright, so now I have now I actually have the Flowmaster Super 40 muffler, stock exhaust system. The only thing that's different is the muffler itself. There are my tips, and it's dark in there. Well, anyway, yeah, stock exhaust tips, stock muffler. The Super 40 for the Dodge Ram 1500 is a single in dual out muffler. It's got a pretty good sound to it. I wasn't looking for anything loud, so the Super 40 with the stock, even resonators are still in. Sounds pretty good. So now we're gonna do a startup. Just as before, this time K&N filter with Flowmaster Super 40.